Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. In today's video, we are going to put away all of my fall decor. I'm going to clean the house so that way when I put out all of my Christmas decor, I won't have to stop as I go and pick up. I will have a clean slate and I can just enjoy the decorating process. And I'm also pre-filming this, so when you guys see this, I will have already posted a huge home decor haul for Christmas, a bunch of decorations, and then I will have already posted a decorate with me, and I'm gonna link them below if you haven't seen them because I'm so excited to film those videos. I'm actually filming those in the next few days, and if you're new, also please consider subscribing and joining the fam. I'd love to have you. Hit the like button if you guys enjoy this video too, and also thank you to Endes for sponsoring this video, and let's get started. I'm going to begin with a little peppermint tea, and I'm normally not super into peppermint in the winter, but for some reason I'm loving it this year. I just purchased whatever kind at the grocery store. There isn't a specific brand, and I'm also adding in a little honey. And then I make this with a tea kettle that plugs into the wall. It's almost instant. It takes about 30 seconds, and it's really hot and boiling. It just saves so much time, and I don't have to wait for a tea kettle sitting on the stove for like 5 or 10 minutes. So I will link it for you guys. It's just from Amazon. We use it almost every single night. And for the living room, I'm just straightening things up pretty quickly. I'm wrapping up my laptop charger and a few more things. And then for the couches, I've been setting them up a little different every day. I just feel like if it's not super symmetrical, it looks way more loungy and cozy and inviting. And I typically will have the lavender throw on the side without the big pink picture where the windows are, and then on the other side I have a white throw. It tends to balance it out since there's so much color on one side and not a ton on the other. And by the way, I do link almost all of my furniture and decor in the description box. There's so many things down there, and I shop very affordably for home decor because I like to switch things out and try new things and move things around, and sometimes with season changes I will switch things up. So yeah, everything is really good prices, and I love to read like furniture reviews before I buy things. I read so many reviews, and I always look at people's photos. A lot of people post photos with their review of things in their house, so I love to look at those and see how things look in somebody else's house because I feel like it's such a better perspective than a professional photo on a website. So yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to mention that. It's all down there, and now I'm going to put everything in a bin from fall, starting with all of the flowers in the kitchen and the dining table. And all of my fall home decor this year was from either HomeGoods or Hobby Lobby. Surprise, surprise. So pretty much everything actually was HomeGoods, but the fall florals that you see right here, and then the sparkly pumpkins, those were from Hobby Lobby. And I never had a chance this year to decorate outside for fall. So that pumpkin and then the next one that I'll show you right here, I set those outside on Halloween. I know it's not an outdoor product, but I figured it was better than nothing. I really wanted at least something for the trick-or-treaters, so sometimes you just have to make it work.
This time we said this would end. Instead we completed that both of us needed more than a friend. Thought he'd be so.
What you guys are about to see is not an optical illusion, it is real life, and I think you need to brace yourself because I need to brace myself too. So today is November, I believe, 7th. And here is our Halloween candy still sitting at the front door. There is some in here too. We were expecting so many kids and we had like half as many as we were expecting. So I don't know what to do with this. I don't want to throw it away, but I don't want it here. So I guess I'm just going to put it in storage in the pantry, and hopefully family comes over and they will eat it or something, because sitting here I just walk by and I pick up a piece of candy and I don't want to do that anymore. I'm pretty sure this is the last of the Halloween decorations. I just put this out here with the candy up in front of the front doors, so all that stuff is going to go in the bin. And this is what you guys have to brace yourselves for. There are so many packages at the front door, and all of these are for the bathroom that we are renovating right now. There are some more that will be here this afternoon actually, so this isn't even everything. But I'm going to open some of these on Instagram. I have a highlights saved for our bathroom renovation, so I'll save them there. Some of them I will open in the video I'm filming for my channel on the bathroom renovation. But I think I'm going to put these in the guest room right now and open them tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys want to see what's in here, then check out the highlights on Instagram, and the video will be up a few weeks later. But I want my front door back.
What else that it would take me a while, but right next to you now I'm sleeping. No rhyme or reason to that.
There will be a giveaway in this video, which I'm so excited about, but first I wanted to share with you the N-Dust products I'm using. The first is their multi-surface dusting spray and also the stainless steel cleaner. They help to eliminate the allergens and dust for a clean and healthy home. Our dining table ends up with a lot of oily fingerprints and smudges from dinner, especially on my side. I don't eat like a 5-year-old, you guys, but I rarely leave the table after a meal without at least a few smears and smudges. And the multi-surface spray, it just gets rid of those so easily. It leaves it with a great shine. There's no residue. It also has a lemon scent, and you guys know I love anything citrus, so this is one of my faves.
For a while, and I'll be here when you're back again.
And then I also like to use a microfiber cloth with a lot of my cleaning products because they seem to last so much longer. When they pick up the dirt and grime, they really hold onto it instead of just smearing it around. And you can use this product on a ton of different surfaces like furniture and cabinets, on your countertops and paneling, windowsills, and even the dusty dashboard of your car. I also wanted to make sure that I got to the legs on our furniture in this video because it's something I don't get to that often.
Now I'm sleeping. No rhyme or reason to that.
And then I'm wiping down all of these stainless steel with the N-Dust stainless steel cleaner. And I have not had a real product for stainless in a long time. I just always forget about it. I've noticed with this, it's just so much more shiny. It takes away all of the dullness that probably has built up from having the wrong products on here. And I just really like how it looks with this. It just looks a little more new, honestly, since they're so shiny. So I'm loving it. And back to my fall bin, I'm filling it up with the last few things. Whenever I have a major mess like I had at the front door, sometimes I start and I work on it for a few minutes and then I come back to it. So that's what I did today. And I'm using a container that I think I just purchased it from a Target. I always buy these whenever they're on sale because since it's in storage, I don't really care that they're all the same color. I'd rather save a little money and just purchase them whenever I can get a really good deal.
If this is what
Hopefully having all this candy inside a cupboard will mean I don't eat as much of it. I can dream, having it out of sight, hopefully out of mind, but I'm just going to make a label that says fall decor. I shared this label maker in a recent video I did on kitchen organization. Let me know if you guys saw that video. It's a really good one. It's almost 30 minutes too, so if you guys want to watch a long video after this one, I will link it for you down below. Here's everything that is inside of there. I didn't put any paper or any like protection since it's just going to be sitting on a shelf. I'm not too worried about it. And back to the living room so I can get this corner ready for our Christmas tree. I'm just putting all the floor pillows underneath the coffee table. I really love that it has the butterflies and then you can see through it because it's glass. So when you're standing from up above, it just looks so cool seeing the pillows and the rug underneath. And I'm just going to wipe it down with a glass cleaner, wipe down the coasters, and I'm just going to get rid of all of the smudges and fingerprints from water glasses and drinks and just random things that we've been setting on here. And then I'm going to wipe down the windowsills with N-Dust again, and this is also something I don't get to that often, so whenever I think of it, I just run through it and finish it up and get it done. Here's everything I was able to get up today, just a lot of dust and grime, and then I'm going to take all of the fall scent products, the dish soap, hand soap, multi-surface spray, and put those under the sink, and then I'm going to set out the winter ones. I got these in the mail a week or two ago, and I've been waiting for now to finally set them out. This one is the Iowa Pine. It smells so good. I I thought I'd tell you guys all about the giveaway while I fold laundry, because so many of you know I struggle to keep up with laundry, but I think it's really fun that a lot of you say you fold it with me. So anyways, this giveaway is sponsored by Endust, and they're going to give one of you a prize package of several of their products along with a gift card. It's a $50 Visa gift card, so it could be spent pretty much anywhere. It's something that could be used for your holiday gifts and holiday shopping, and all you have to do is just write a comment down below. Let us know how you plan to use Endust so you can create a clean and healthy home for the holidays, and also include an email address or an Instagram handle so I can send you a DM, some way to contact the winner. Of course, it's just going to be a randomly selected winner. The giveaway is going to run for 1 week from the post date of this video, and I'm going to put all of the official rules down below in the description box. Definitely check there, but it's just such a fun giveaway, so easy to enter. The only thing you have to do is that comment. So yeah, I cannot wait to see who wins. And once all the laundry was folded, I moved on to the floors and dusted those real quick. I'm sure you guys can tell from this video, it was such a dark and dreary day. So by then it was really dark, and I figured I share the floor so much on my channel in these videos. You guys wouldn't miss not seeing it one time. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for spending the time with me. As always, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you have not had a chance to enter the giveaway yet, then make sure to do that before you leave, and also share this video with your friends so they can enter too. It's only that one step, so it's so easy to enter. And also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'd love to have you. Hit the like button as well, and there are so many holiday videos coming. I cannot wait to share them with you, and I'll see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!